Okay, real quick, I was already on here about changing this water pump on this 5.9 liter Dodge engine. Down here is the heater, the thermostat. Okay, and let's see. I've got it. I just want you to know. It's down here now. I moved. Real quick. I'm a hot mess sometimes. But I took this pulley off. It was 13 millimeter or half inch, and then down there was two 8 millimeter screws, one on the top and one on the bottom, and that wasn't too bad. And it goes in the pointy side out. Make sure it has a rubber gasket, rubber seal on it. It wasn't the problem, but while I have all this off, I'm going to replace it with a 180. Originally it's a 195. It's a little warm. I'm going to bring it down 10 or 15 degrees. And yeah, nothing to it.